Man, a lot of people have been telling me through my life that you need money to make money. And man, one thing I've learned, let me tell you this, in America, you don't need money. All you need is a burning desire, you need your creativity, you need focus, you need drive, you need commitment. And if you're willing to work hard, you could have anything in America, okay? So a lot of people tell me you need money to make money. And that's a bunch of BS, excuse my language. Let me say that. That is false myth. I had no money, no credit, no support, nothing, guys, nothing, and lived in my car. So you don't need money, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the mathematical formula to turn your time into money, okay? So money equals time, all right, guys? And please notice that this is a capital T. It's not the time that you recognize. It's not your clock time here. And I'll define what time is in a minute. But what I want to explain to you guys is that majority of people, this is how it will work. If you have a lot of money, you have a good probability that you don't have a lot of time because you're a very busy person. Okay? And vice versa. If you have a lot of time on your hands because you're unemployed, or you don't know what you're doing, or you're a student or things of that nature, then you're gonna have very low money. See? Alright? So it's almost as an inverse, okay? Now some people that have a whole lot of money have learned how to create systems and have their money work for them in the I quadrant, like Rich Dad says, to have free up their time. So it's not always like this, guys, but from what I've learned and seen is if you have a lot of money, you have low time. And if you have a lot of time, you have low money, okay? So we got that part. And that happens to be true for a lot of people, mentor students that I meet, okay? So now the question was, pay attention, how do you put money in here when you have no money to get some money out into this marketing machine, okay? Very simple, guys. Money equals time, and that's big time. Now, you guys don't have big time right now, and I'm going to define what big T is. Big T equals little t. Now, little t is that clock time, okay? Plus experience. So guys, here's what it is. If you have a lot of time, the little t, and you add the ingredients of experience, because you're going out there and getting knocked down, you're going out there and getting knocked down, you're getting out there and getting knocked down, you're going out there and learning, you're going out there and beating the odds and having faith in yourself that you can do this, and you're working every day to combat your fears and go do things that are new and not allow yourself or your fears to hold you back, then you're going to get experience with your time. And when you add these two up, equals big T. And guys, once you have that big T, you can trade that off because money equals big T to do this, okay? To put into some of these methods of marketing that's cost money or is low money, because you can turn the big T into cash. Alright? So you don't need money to make money. All you need is time